In the cockpit of the ATR42, the pilots sit 8.78 meters in front of the main landing gear. The theoretical center of the minimum turning radius, which is reached by idle thrust on both engines and without differential braking, is 5.07 meters, respectively, left or right of the aircraft centerline. The minimum pavement width needed for a 180-degree turn is about 17.75 meters. The minimum radius, which the front landing gear describes at a turning angle of 60 degrees, is 10.3 meters. By turning as shown here, the wingtips need a clearance radius of 17.4 meters. The nose of the aircraft turns at a radius of 11.7 meters, and the rear end of the elevator tip at a radius of 15 meters.